Guys, palpak naman ko kung akin. Halay ko.
Excuse me? Your friend Roger Stevens was an asshole.
Klase nung matungos ganito. Eh, pagkaya matangtang.
This whole thing was just designed to humiliate me. Calm down. He didn't even read my stuff. He was a rude, entitled bitch who wanted to get high. I wish I was exaggerating.
I like
Paying me in a
this,
limo.
no?
And you
No, I
sent
like
me there. We keep it clean since 9/11. When it happened, he
Huwag
was
ka magsigaw.
You threw me under the bus. She's got a lot to learn.
La la la. Gusto ko kaan. Mani akong mama. Maanaghay ba? Maanaghay ba?
We were both there. Accusing me of sabotaging
Na!
Monica and me and anyone else who
Magka-video pa sa!
you would have had to pick apart your friends, but maybe admit that you're not
Tawala
being
tawang
your
mitch-mitch
most amazing self right now.
Sorry, napalaw. Ngati ko.
Ah, hungiti. Kung sa bugan, itanong pag salida.
Gakuan gani kuan eh. Ako sinyo.
Ano dito?
Hindi ko makaunay kay tanggal ni. Guys, sorry na kayo. Wala ko nakatiwas sa video ato kay palaag-laag man. Muna niya akong nails. Kitang-tang na akong professionals. Kay Gishop. Isosgo ito nga ako. Tapos natagtag sa eskwelahan day. Tagtang. Hindi, mauna ni. Kay scare kayo kung sa una kay kukukugid kay mura din na so nakuan yun na sama ay nakuan ka ng mga garap-garap karang mga kuan ba anong mupaak good mupaak sa mga kumot precious do man ako gibutang nagpakayo ako nagibutang nara palpak nara palpak decoration palpak bato palpak susglo what the fuck bye na guys ako sa ningutang bye na guys kaya ko na ni send legendary